Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, child seat anchors, power steering. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.